pumasok dito.
Nga ba?
Oo.
Buti meron siyang classmate.
Si school, si dancer. Hello!
Ayan, one enforcement.
Dami namin, di ba? Hello!
Oh, we have also necklace!
Hello!
Bless guys.
Bless
One enforcement, dami.
Oo. Di ba? Yes. We're now here in ATC.
Dito na lang tayo magdintay kung ganyan tayo makadintay
Yun na
sa
nga.
Taipei.
We are here at ATC kasi bibili kami ng mga kailangan bilhin. Hala, mag-open ang Anko here. Di ba ano te? Australian brand? Hello.
Hi.
We're in Manila kasi mag-attend kami ng wedding for the weekend lang. Pasok kami ng Watsons. Uy, masarap to. We are at Westgate. Anytime Fitness. Magkakaroon na tayo ng ganyan sa Zamboanga. Hey guys, we are here at Uniqlo dito sa Westgate. Ito lang yung finit ko, itong J.W. Anderson na polo. Actually, meron to sa Zamboanga pero since nandito na ako, kinuha ko na. So I got the size medium. Mukhang okay naman yung medium sa akin so far. Gusto ko kasi yung medyo boxy. And then I got cardigan din na XL. Ito. Hindi ko na finit kasi okay naman siya. And itong black shirt na yeah, this black shirt na Aries and which is $5.90 na lang siya. So yeah. Okay, I think okay na tayo. So may mga nabudol sa Uniqlo. Yeah. We are now home. We are here at my auntie's house. We are now preparing for our susuotin tomorrow sa wedding. Para bukas ready na. You know, si Diwi. Hi, Diwi. He's preparing his barong and his locks. Yun yung akin. Long gown pero nag-long dress lang ako. So, we'll be here just for the weekend. Just to attend the wedding. So, ano oras na? Ay, 11 na pala? Hello, we're here at Bungalow. We'll just have brunch here and then after we'll prepare na for the wedding. Deo, kumusta ka?
Okay lang.
Ihimog. Heavy ang boses. And I'm getting ready na for the wedding. Tapos ko na minakapan si mama. I'm in the middle of doing my makeup. And yeah, I think mga 1:38 ata kami aalis dito sa bahay. Kasi nasa may silang Cavite yung wedding. I forgot the name of the resort. Farm something. Do a simple look lang. Hindi naman kami, bisita lang naman kami. I'm using the eye crayon color stick ni Sunny Swiss, the shade Pretzel.
Getting ready?
I'm getting ready na. Get ready na. We're here at the venue for the wedding. So we are here at Angel Fields. Ah, okay. Si mother is the ninang. Na. Afuera ba ano? Reception tamen?
Hindi, yata.
Adentro?
Celebrate sa union ng mag-asawa, Frances and Carlo. You, their family, kami katabi mo yan. Yung katabi mo, importante yan sa mag-asawa. So,
Good morning! Happy Sunday to everybody. I'm already ready for church. I'm gonna head down na kasi kumakain na sila ng breakfast sa baba. But today is really exciting because after church, we will be having our lunch. Guess where? We are having our lunch at Gordon Ramsay's restaurant here in Manila in Newport. So I'm really excited about that. I think everybody's excited to taste Gordon Ramsay because her family is a fan of Gordon Ramsay, especially my dad. Pero hindi siya nagluluto. Fan lang siya. But anyways, baba na tayo. We're now walking to Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. Ito na kami sa Newport Resorts World. Gordon Ramsay's Bar and Grill. Nga.
Very soft. It's buttery.
Ano pa lang, Joanna? Kakaiba na.
Sa
Feel pa lang ng
yung
bread.
feel pa lang ng
Kakaiba
bread.
na.
Hindi namang.
there, texture.
Kunyari, si Ninong Rai ka diyo.
Brioche talaga, brioche. Pinibili yan ang paggawa.
Yung butter, lemon niya. Lapit tayo sa kitchen. Go. facial expression. Sarap din din.
No,
Madis-
hindi ko ina-expect na ganito ang lasa. Doon na nila sang karne. Ay, bien soup, gayot.
Sige daw. Okay?
Perfectly seasoned ang fish.
Okay.
Sauce pala. Sauce pala.
Yeah, you try.
Yung sides mo yung
Risotto. Beef Wellington man din sa akin. Wellington na lang. Tagal naman ang reaction ni Jero.
Naman.
Sarap. Okay.
How is it po, the Wellington? Thank you so much for patiently waiting.
No worries.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Ano ba kayo sa inyo season
Ano
na?
yan?
I like. Kasi ni
I like.
Not bland for you? Ah, okay. For you, that bland?
Mama?
O kasi ano ka, doon sa naalatan ka sa akin.
One bite. Nasaan ko yung meat?
I changed my mind. I put this above this one.
This is better. This is better.
This is better.
Maganda
I thought this is better than this one.
Ha?
Ordinary lang.
But, overall, beef tartar kami lang.
Kasi yung combination ng beef tsaka mushroom, di ba no? Fish and chips.
Ah, sige. And pastry and spinach and
Ho, 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 ho,
And,
ho, ho.
ito guys, ang sobra.
Kaya ito naka-fake dito.
Hindi siya bland for me. Bigyan siya bland for me.
Ay, ito lang pala
Ito yung tofu, di ba?
Masarap sir. Yung texture niya maganda.
Ano, ice cream.
Pwede ko ulit. Oh my gosh.
Sarap ng chocolate tart.
Nagyan ng dispa ko.
Oh.
Nagyan ito.
Ay, ni mama.
Gaya ito ko nele. Ang huwag kayo mag-smile. Kayo mag-smile. Diba ang huwag? 1, 2, 3.
Sila din. Mga Ketalman El Gordon Ramsay experience.
so overwhelmed
Why man?
because I feel so privileged.
Daw.
Thank you, Lord, for allowing us
Yeah.
to experience this once in a lifetime.
Kumusta experience mo sa Gordon Ramsay?
The walking hut.
Anong walking?
The food is very, very good.
To the driver, or please breakable item. Please handle with care.
Malobat na yung camera. We're back in Molito. Dito na kami mag-ano. End our day. Coffee kami. We're here at Oro Chocolate. Drinks na lang kami kasi hindi pa kami natutunaw sa Gordon Ramsay. Food ni Gordon Ramsay. Or in Molito.
Nasa ano yun, nasa Cagayan, sa Los Andes.
Ano yung malamig? Warm?
Ano lasa dyan? Ano daw? Sabar peanut?
Tablea.
Oh?
But I want more ice. I want it cold.
Sarap.
Masarap. Ito. Ma'am, sarap ang cold brew nila.
Parang dark chocolate nila. With peanut.
Sarap ang cold brew.
Dito tayo kumain lang kagabi.
Oo, doon. Nung nag-ano tayo, breakfast. Nag-brunch. Uwi na kami. It's a long day. Tomorrow na yung uwi namin. Uwi na tayo bukas. Good morning. Tayo kami na salad stop. We're here at salad stop kasi matagal na kami na nakakain ng salad stop ni Mama. After here, we'll go to the airport na. Mag-jumbo pa pala. Hello, Dio. Hello. Hindi na eat here last time. Nakilala niya ni Papa tag-ista kayo rap. Reminisce kita di atong mga memories kina ATC. Our favorite jamba is back. Dalawa pong 22 ons ng banana berry. Joanna. Oh, you try first. That's not banana dance with some berries. That's a different banana dance with some berries.
Smoother and texture.
Oh, smoother. We're now in the airport. Pauwi na kami. Dito.